Hey there, congrats on your brand new Philips air fryer. Let's skip the manual and instead I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get your air fryer set up so you can get cooking ASAP. So take your air fryer out of the box and remove all of the packaging, including all those little stickers. So your air fryer has two 5-litre baskets. So that's a whopping 10 litres in total. However, the footprint is really small thanks to the slim and compact design. You need to position your air fryer on a flat level surface, leaving about 15 centimetres of clearance around the entire air fryer. Now just give your basket and base plate a wash with warm soapy water, or of course you can just pop it in the dishwasher. All right, they're clean. Then simply plug your cord into a power point. And that's it. You are all set up and ready to cook. Okay, so here is your touch screen. Power on, and then you will see basket number 1 and basket number 2. To set basket number 1, we simply press that. Then you will see 6 presets come up on your screen. Our frozen potato snacks like fries, wedges, hash browns. Then you've got steak, fish and seafood, veggies, chicken drumsticks, and a reheat option so you can warm up leftovers. Each of the presets will automatically set a time and a temperature that is ideal for each specific type of food. Use these as a guide and feel free to adjust them manually to suit your needs. Or if you like, you can just simply cook manually. You can set the temperature anywhere from 200 degrees down to 40 degrees, and you can set the time from 1 minute all the way through to 60. Okay, so now we're going to set basket number 2, and to do that, you just press number 2. And then you literally just follow the exact same process. If you want both of your baskets to be set the same, press the copy button. If you want each basket set differently, but ready to serve at the same time, hit the sync time function. And then this shake reminder button can be turned on or off. It's actually really handy as it prompts you during the cooking process to give your food a little shake or turn for extra crispiness and even cooking. Like all of our Philips air fryers, this one has RapidAir Technology. The patent star-shaped design, along with the dual fans, create a tornado of superheated, rapidly moving air. And because each basket has its very own element and fan, everything cooks quickly and consistently. So now, let's cook. I've got about 1 kilo of chicken drumsticks here that I've drizzled with a tiny bit of oil and scattered with some seasoning. And then in basket number 2, we'll put about 500 grams of frozen potato wedges. So for the chicken drumsticks in basket number 1, I simply select basket number 1. From the presets, I select chicken drumsticks, the temperature and the time will come up for me. For basket number 2, with those frozen potato wedges, I just select the frozen potato snacks. 200 degrees and 30 minutes comes up for me. Now, if I wanted to adjust those presets just a little bit, well, I could do that by simply adjusting the arrows up and down. But in this case, I'm just going to go with the suggested preset time. I've selected the sync button, so both my baskets will be ready together. And then all that's left to do is press start. So my absolute favorite features of this air fryer would have to be these see-through windows and the light. Just tap the light button to allow us to have a little sneak peek to watch your food cook without losing any of that heat by opening and closing the drawer up. If for some reason you do need to open up your basket during cooking, it is totally fine and safe to do so. All that will happen is the cooking time will just pause. But all you need to do is just close it up and that cooking time will resume. In just a little over half an hour, your meal is cooked and ready to serve. Big baskets, amazing features, crispy results, and easy cleaning. Okay, so you're all finished eating and now it's time to clean up. But please don't stress because cleanup is so simple. All of the removable parts, which means the basket and the base plate inside each, are non-stick and dishwasher safe, or you can just wash them in warm soapy water. Here is my pro tip for keeping your air fryer looking schmick and also working effectively. Wipe the interior and those heating elements with a damp cloth to clear away any fatty residue. But make sure the unit is unplugged and completely cool first. And then just give the outside a quick wipe with a nice soft cloth. And that's it. Now it's your turn to get cooking. Your new Philips air fryer is going to make meals faster, more delicious, and way more fun. Also, don't forget to check out the free to download Philips Home ID app. There you will find a whole host of different recipe ideas, tips, and tricks to help you on your air fryer journey.